Many teachers and fellow TOS students. Today my partner and I will talk about endangered animals. Our chosen animal is tiger. Before we proceed further, I will give you first all the basic information about tigers. Everyone knows what a tiger is. Still not everyone fully knows everything about tigers. The length of tiger's tail is from 60 to 110 centimeters. Tigers are loved to eat beasts and other animals. Their habitat is the mountain and tropical rainforests. Lastly, they can speed up to 48 to 80 km per hour. Tigers are amazing animals, but sad to say they are disappearing quickly. Our presentation will show you why teachers disappear every day and what we can do to stop these things from happening. My partner Luke will present this.
Hi, I'm Luke. My partner has given you important details we need to know about our animals. Now, I will proceed with my part about their appearance status. Do you know why the tiger is an endangered animal? Because people kill them for their fur and liver. People have been killing animals since long ago. As a result, we are losing tigers in great numbers. We need to stop our illegal tiger hunting. We need to stop tiger disappears. What can we do to help save them? First, join our organization that work for the safety of tigers. Second, help treat tiger research. Lastly, report illegal hunters to the police. Now, we have come to the last part of our presentation. We hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.